Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor with Iqra. I hope my all viewers are fine and they enjoy day of life. If you are new to my channel or you like my video, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And forget press the bell icon so you don't miss another amazing video like this one. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful and trendy collections of car cake design ideas. Birthday cake design ideas for boys. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing new decorating ideas from this video. I hope friends you like my video most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you like any design then please take screenshot of, and if you want to see more cake design video you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope friends you like my video and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing new cake decorating ideas from this video. Thank you so much everyone. Please enjoy and watching this video till the end. And I will see you tomorrow inshallah with the new video. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.